Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I'm going to show you how to change your clock face on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. I'm going to show you how to change it from the watch and then how to change it from your phone. The phone will have a lot more options, so I'll show you both and you can decide which way works best for what you need to do. Let's get started. So when you're on the main watch face, you're going to take your finger and simply press down on the home screen. Just like that. Press down for 1 second, it will bring up this menu, and then it will allow you to either customize this watch by tapping customize, or we can swipe through to all the other clock faces that are currently saved on the phone. So I can just scroll through, and if you find one that you like, same thing, you can simply hit that customize button and it will allow you to change the colors and the look of that watch. And let's just pick one here for an example. Let's say this is the main watch I've been using primarily. So we're gonna tap the customize button underneath, and there are categories at the top here that will include different sections of the watch that you can change. So right now we're controlling the background, and if you just slide your finger around the crown or around the edge of the watch here, you can basically go through the different options until you find one that you like. We're at the end, so now we'll go back the other way. Just keep going until you find one that you like. Let's do kind of like this orange. Let's do the black one. Okay, so black, and now I'm going to swipe over, and now we're on the clock font section, and the same thing, I'm going to use the edge to change the font type. Let's go with this one, and then I'm going to swipe over. Now compilation color, so this will allow you to change the data colors on the screen. Every watch, you know, as you go through, you just kind of want to play around with it, and you can see the different things you can control. Kind of like that one. Now I'm going to swipe over again, and then this actually lets you change each compilation. So I can change what data is showing on this main screen here by just tapping on it, and I can assign something different to track on that main screen. Right now it's tracking steps, but I could have it track heart rate, daily activity, the date. So you can kind of select what you want to be there. And when you've selected it, then it'll take you right back to the watch. Now I can tap on each one of these blinking circles. Again, anything blinking in blue, you can tap to change. Maybe you don't want the weather here. Maybe instead, you'd rather it show you your ECG score. So then that way, now it'll show you this, and you can tap on it as a shortcut. Now let's swipe over again to other compilations. You can change these other different options on the edge here, and that's the end. So this is how you just customize one specific watch. And now once I tap on it, it's gonna save, and now that's my new watch face. Now, once again, we can hold down, we can swipe through, I can pick a whole different watch, and as I hold on the screen, I can tap that customize button to change up the watch face as well. Now you can also hit the plus, add watch face, and here it'll give you a list of more options to add to your shortcuts. And there's plenty of options. A lot of these are older designs that you'll find on the older Samsung watches. So if you had a Samsung Galaxy watch previously, you might find a design in here that you'll like. And if you see one that you like, you're simply just gonna tap on it, and it will now add that to your list of favorites. I wanna say 10 is the max that you can add here. You can also use the edge of the screen here to scroll through a bit faster. There we go. Some cool AR and bit emoji options. Now, there are even more watch faces than what you see here. That one's kind of cool. That's a live wallpaper one. But yes, there's more options. So this watch face in particular is an important one because with this one, you can actually upload your own photo and make that the watch face as well. So if I tap on here and I tap customize, you can tap and allow it to access your photos, hit the plus, and I can now go through my phone and I can add a picture that is currently saved on my phone. Now it is triggering for me to open up my phone. So here's my phone. I'll just put it right next to it like this. And now as I hit the customize, I can obviously change the style. I'm gonna switch over to background and then tap on photos, gallery, allow all. And now I can go through and find a specific picture that I like. Maybe I wanna make this picture of the mountains my background. I'm gonna hit, you can obviously make some adjustments to it with brightness and exposure. I'm gonna hit done and we'll give it a few seconds. And now this will be my new background for my watch. Oh, you'll need to hit save. There we go. And now we have a custom picture as the background for your watch. And there's even more options aside from this, but again, this is an important one because some of you may just want to have your own specific picture on the watch. Now we're back on the main screen here. If you tap on watch faces and you swipe up, you can see a lot more watch options that are available. This is showing us first a lot of the options that are stored on the watch here, but it's easier to see them from the phone. So it just depends, like sometimes you may want to control it from your watch, sometimes you may want to do it from the phone. But what you won't see on the phone is this option, which is more watch faces on Google Play. If we tap on this, it'll actually take us to the Play Store where it'll only show us the watches that are compatible or the watch faces that are compatible with this phone. And so this is another way to just find even more cool watch faces. There's so many available, way too many if you ask me, but you can go through and find other watches that you like. Now, some are free and some are paid. So you want to keep that in mind. It will show a price underneath if it's not free. So you can go through and you simply just tap on one to download it and then you add it to your watch. So these are just a few different options on how to change the clock face on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Hope you guys did find this helpful. If it was, bump that like button down below. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos. You'll find 2 other cool videos here and here. Check these out as well. If you haven't already seen them, those contain some great information too. Have a good one.